Good morning. Happy birthday. Happy 38th birthday, Anne.
Thank you.
My beautiful girlfriend. This is a birthday breakfast. Nothing to write home about because we had an amazing storm last night. Thunder and lightning and heavy rainstorm we slept through, but now it's still probably going to rain today, but it's a good day because it's Anne's birthday.
Yahoo! I am 18 years old. Thank you, Lord. That's enough.
Thank you, Lord.
So
Oh yes, and we are in the Whisley Guest House treehouse having breakfast, overlooking the main road at, what time is it? At 7:15 in the morning. I'm just having a cheesy egg sandwich. Anne's got corned tuna, a boiled egg, an omelette. She's going all out for her birthday.
Have a breakfast for birthday.
Yeah.
I'm not really into breakfast, but this time I need to eat breakfast.
I like brunch. But it's too early for brunch. So cheers everybody. We're sat outside Whisley's Guest House and hoping that a jeepney will come by that will take us to Lassie, because that's where we're wanting to go. I don't know how this is for noise. If you can hear me, it's been quite a disaster planning things. As touristy as Siquijor is, there's just no transportation to get you from A to B. It's weird, and if there is what transportation there is, it costs a fortune. So we'll see.
First time you did it, Mom? Timing.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Ube and avocado. What are you having?
Charcoal, mango, avocado, mango.
This is ube underneath and avocado. First time I've ever had avocado ice cream. Nice. I forgot to say, we got this lift down to CAMBUGAHAY Falls. Here we are. And I got the steps down. All right, my love, thank you.
No, oh, for 40.
Thank you. steps are good actually, quite easy to walk down, which is good. Oh, it's a long way down there. Great fun.
Ma'am! Bansa mo, ma'am?
It's nice, it's pretty, but I'm not that fussed with going to a swim really. Are you? No. It's pretty. This is why I'm not really into the touristy things so much, because it's just so crazy busy here, and just like what we're trying to do, take photos, everybody's doing the same. I mean, it's beautiful, it's lovely. You see, like paying 30 pesos for a shower, 30 pesos for a toilet, 20 pesos for just using the dressing room. Nothing. Beach beds for rent, private area, ask information before entering. Having swings and things. So, I think that's it. I think we're done. Name of this underwater river? Sambulawan, underwater river, and we are going down some very steep steps to get to.
And we have a tree ladder here.
Oh, not for the faint-hearted.
It's more challenging, huh?
Oh yes.
No, like because slippery.
This is
Yep.
what you like.
And later the same way to go back.
Okay.
Go to the side. I think 1 kilo.
Tambok naman niya. Everyday balik.
Oh. So stop ka muna diyan, ma'am. Picture muna.
Picture.
Yeah.
Sir, closer. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Posing for photos.
Okay, no more. Ay, kata isa.
Sarah.
Isa pa, isa lang. Okay.
How about yours?
Yeah, I'm good.
Slowly, because 24 steps.
24.
I should have bought my light, camera lights down here. Just didn't have enough time to plan everything, unfortunately.
Sir, slowly.
So, yeah, you're not going to see me. I wish I brought my camera light with me.
Oh. So there you can swim 150 meters far. Don't worry the water, this water no high tide, no low tide. Same level. Swimming in the center only.
Ah, that's why there is.
Sorry kicking, ma'am, because your
So is my hat. So let's just. Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Swimming like not swimming like Adobe, like a basic. Keep right, keep right. Sir, much better here on the right side because we have traffic.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, this is good. Here we go.
Ano ito si Bumang?
Kalinuan.
I've lost my way.
So, what's your right?
Yep. That's right.
Go exercise now. I think 1 kilo lost.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, look. We have light. You right, my love? Oh, good exercise. The Harry Potter experience. Oh, and cold drinks too. Very nice.
Regular, halo-halo, burger.
This was a quaint place with good photos. Anne and myself have had photos like this. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I'm also enjoying a cucumber lemonade. A bit sweeter than I expected. You like that?
What's for the
Okay.
BALETE?
And here we are at the 100-year-old tree. Oh, is it? How many?
100 years old.
Tree 100 years old.
400 years.
Oh, 400 years old. A real touristy attraction. As you'll see, there's already a lot of people here come to see the tree.
Pesos, ma'am.
Oh, so we'll see. Here I'm. I don't think we're very. Oh, hang on, I've got.
Yes, we like to go inside.
Yeah.
We'll try the fish pack.
I have
Oh,
Ayun.
okay. A Balete fish spa and the I Love Balete tree, a tree of Balete tree. It looks cool, doesn't it? All these real souvenir type shop. Oh, proper ice creams. They look nice. Handmade ice creams. Nice. And here we are, entrance fee.
12, 14, 16, 18. 20 more.
For your sibling. Yeah.
20 more. I have 20. Oh. Okay. Yay. Very good.
No, the pink one.
Look at all the souvenir shops all around.
Sulat pa?
Sige naman. Ticket naman.
There we go.
Ticket siya.
Thank you. And so this is the 400-year-old tree. My phone. What are you doing? To sit and have my feet nibbled by fish. As you can see, famous. Your feet are on YouTube. Oh, look, there you go. This.
Dapat ko sa vlog.
Come on, come over here. They like his feet. Now they're really going to town on my feet. Finally, they're having a feed on my feet, but not the big ones like over there. Feels nice. They prefer my left foot to my right foot. Okay, here we are, finding our way down to the beach, and I think there's a bit of a dive area here as well. Got people chilling out there. Oh, I just saw someone dive. A deep one, let's see. Hello. Ah. I could do that. Yep.
Diyan po, ma'am.
Diha.
Bantayan na dili, ma'am.
Pwede na ka? Leave our things here.
Okay. Not supposed to do that, eh? Here we go. It's refreshing, yeah. Here for cocktails. And a Long Island iced tea. It's been a long time since I have had one, and I love them. No, me though, then I'll be back for a margarita, a tequila sunset, Cuban lira, who knows. Go through the whole lot. Terrific. Lovely. Thank you very much indeed. And here we go. Cheers. Beautiful. Now, where did Anne go? Oh, there she is. Refreshed? Cheers. Beautiful. Yum. Can't complain. A pint of iced tea. Not iced tea, but a Long Island iced tea.
What's the difference?
Alcohol is the difference.
I will just prefer buying powdered juice iced tea and mix it.
Yeah.
It costs only 30 pesos.
Compared to my 120 pesos. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
I have my long cup over there.
Yep.
I will enjoy it later.
Lots of young people. Turns out, I haven't really explained today, but we've started off the day. It was weird. We thought we'd just be catching a jeepney to where?
To Lassie.
Lassie. Then it turns out that there aren't jeepneys going all that way. It's strange because it's such a touristy place, this island, Siquijor, and yet just not really equipped with the public transport for it. It's just a case of hiring scooters. So Wilson, who owns the guest house we're staying at the moment, called his cousin, who is taking us out. Normally, if you have book a tricycle for a day, it'd be 1,500 pesos. He's doing it for 1,200. Admittedly, it was a shortened day, but man, he's really packing it in for us. We've done a lot since we got to Lassie at midday, just gone midday actually, and we've been swimming, diving, exploring underground rivers. Now here at
Paliton Beach.
Apparently here for the sunset. I don't know what's the time now, but the sun is up there at the moment, so yeah, maybe it won't be long. And this is celebrating Anne's 38th birthday, though she wants me to say it's 18th birthday, which would then make me just come across as a dirty old man.
20 years ago.
Yeah, 20 years ago she was 18. So this is rather nice. I'm a bit hungry, so might go and we've already got for later on silog. I've got chicken silog and Anne's got beef silog. That's just with rice and egg.
Yep,
egg and rice, yeah. So that'll be good. That's for dinner. But right now, because we haven't really eaten, have we?
No.
What have we had?
Nothing. Because
No, just
I'm not hungry.
for breakfast. I'm a bit peckish. Drinking margaritas on the beach. 95 pesos. So cheap as chips. And what a beautiful setting. Anne's just gone for a photo shoot on a swing.
Mani apa ya orang mga driver raw nang sulong.
Work of art in the making. We're all playing a part. And so, here we have sunset in
Paliton Beach.
PALITON. Oh, thank you. Something. That's the Filipino way. She was surprised that we were leaving already. She says, "You're going now?"
Hindi po retired ka na sa pagtatrabaho.
Yeah.
You told them that we're only here for sunset.
Yeah, I didn't know. Is that so? They're here for a party, something?
Party?
Well, I don't know. Are they? I don't. Has he seen us?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is he 1699?
Yep.
Here comes our main man. Thank you kindly, good sir.
You have 20 pesos for the parking. Did you enjoy the sunset?
Yes, it was interesting. And now we're back at WHISLEY'S Guest House and chatting away with Wilson, the proprietor, and our awesome host. And I'm videoing, as you can see, a beautiful lizard. And I'm thinking, you know, tomorrow we've got to go out again to continue celebrating Anne's birthday, because even though we packed all that in today in 6 hours, I think no, we've got to go out and just have a chill day. So tomorrow it is.
Ayaw dyan na sa bugaw kay pag